How to fix Backspace not working in Windows 10. Here are some methods that would help you fix Backspace not working in Windows 10. Method 1. Turn off sticky keys and filter keys. Method 2. Remove then Install keyboard drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Method 3. Update keyboard. Driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Method 4. Make sure Windows is up to date. Method 5. Test. Your keyboard on another PC. Method 6. Scan your PC with anti-malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Method 7. Disable fast startup. Method 8. Repair install Windows 10.